Many of us have gotten a lot of our investments wrong. And here's where you went wrong. Yes, Bitcoin is taking off, but when this recession signal happens, you will see all asset classes dropped. And your asset that you hold and deem an asset is not really an asset. This right here that I'm about to reveal to you is the number one asset. So here's what's about to happen. The Fed cut interest rates and now they reneged on cutting interest rates even more, which is going to speed up the process of assets going higher. It's called fake asset equity. You're going to have fake asset equity in Bitcoin. You're going to have fake asset equity in home ownership. And when you have fake asset equity in home ownership, you're going to see homes sitting on the market not moving. Yes, they might have a lot of equity on paper, but that equity is not going to become reality. We are heading into a devastating state. It's devastation that's about to happen. We're going to enter something that's unbelievable, unremarkable, worse than an economic depression. So the number one asset that you have and that people fail to realize is the number one asset. It is information and it is opportunity. Information mixed with opportunity is the best asset class that you can have. So let's go over what could happen. Home ownership rates are dropping dramatically, especially here in North Carolina. Bitcoin is on the rise, but there is going to be a dip in Bitcoin where it's going to look like Bitcoin is not going to be the best asset in that class. Because if Bitcoin was the best asset, Donald Trump wouldn't have threatened the BRICS nation not to leave the dollar. He would have put them on that Bitcoin asset class. There are going to be companies that are going to come out of this recession, and it is in this recession that's going to make more money than has ever been. There's one company that has been killing it in this recession. People cannot take a vacation without this company. It has doubled. Also, the new energy play. I already gave that energy play at $3. It's now at $28. There's going to be assets and companies that are better than Bitcoin, but you don't have the information to invest in these different asset classes. When Bitcoin comes up, everybody is coming out saying how much Bitcoin is in the investment. There are a lot of investments out there. You just need the information. Now, once those interest rates rise and home ownership rises, a lot of buyers and a lot of people are going to deem home ownership not even an asset. They're not even going to look at it as an asset. Robert Kiyosaki said, if your home doesn't make money, it's not an asset. So they're not even going to be able to gain equity. They're going to see home ownership as really as a liability because they have to fix things, and the monthly mortgage payments are 2 times double than what they can afford. They're going to have to make repairs and things of that nature while the cost of things are going up and up and up. So home ownership is not going to be looked at as something of the American dream. People are going to turn to other means of how they get their money, how they get their retirement.